In the name of God, hello guys, welcome back in our channel. Today I would like to teach you 20 important words in English. Number 1. Anxious, نگران. When a person is anxious, they worry that something bad will happen. Example: she was anxious about not making her appointment on time. Number 2. Awful. خیلی bad. بسیار bad. When something is awful, it's very bad. Example: her performance last night was awful. Number 3. Consist. شامل بودن. To consist of is to be made of parts of things. Example: today's choices for lunch consisted of pizza, hamburgers, and hot dogs. Number 4. Desire. Arzu. To desire is to want something. Example: my sister desires a big house and lots of money. Number 5. Eager. شور شوق اشتیاق. When a person is eager about something, they are excited about it. Example: the man was eager to talk about the good news. Number 6. Household. فامیل، خانواده. A household is all the people who live in one house. Example: our household is made up of my father, my mother, and me. Number 7. Intent. An intent is a plan to do something. Example: her intent is to visit Italy next summer. Number 8. Landscape. منظره، چشمانداز. A landscape is how an area of land looks. Example: the landscape of the country is very green. Number 9. Lift. بالا کردن. To lift something is to move it higher. The man tried to lift the box. Number 10. Load. محموله بار. To load is to put objects into something. The man loaded the boxes into a truck. Number 11. Lung. Shush. A lung is the organ in the body that fills with air when breathing. Example: having strong lungs is necessary for a healthy life. Number 12. Motion, حرکت. A motion is a movement that someone makes. Example: the police officer made a motion with his hand. Number 13. Pace. سرعت. The pace of something is the speed at which it happens. Example: I ran the race at a slower pace than my friend. Number 14. Polite. مؤدب. Example: the boy was very polite. He behaved very thoughtfully. Number 15. Possess. صاحب بودن، مالک بودن. To possess something is to have it or own it. Example: my uncle possesses 3 sheep, a chicken, a cow, and a dog. Number 16. Rapidly. به سرعت سریع. When something happens rapidly, it happens very fast. Example: the train moved rapidly on the tracks. Number 17. Remark گفتن. To remark is to say something. The example: The teacher remarked on how quickly the students were learning. Number 18. Seek جستجو کردن. To seek is to make abroad. To seek is to look for something. Example: if I have a problem, I seek my sister's advice. Number 19. Shine. درخشان. To shine is to make a bright light. The candles are shining in the dark room. Spill. چپه کردن. ریختن. To spill is to have something fall out of its container. Example: I spilled the coffee on the table. And now, if you like this, please like and subscribe my channel.